Good morning, y'all. Steak for breakfast. Hopefully you can hear me. My damn pan about to burn up. Look at that. Filet mignon for breakfast. I might do me an egg too. Sit right there. Alexa, start a 3-minute steak timer.
3-minute steak timer started.
Good morning. How are you doing today? Welcome back. I'm gonna try to put this video up as soon as we get done chatting early. Alexa, what time is it?
The current time is 8:13 a.m.
So you should be seeing this video well before noon on Thursday today. The reason I'm putting the video out early is because I want to catch a lot of you before your day gets started good, to let you know we will be going live tonight at our regular time, which is 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Bay and I both, okay? And talk about the events over the last couple of days. Bay wants to talk to y'all about everything. And then also, I want to get on to y'all too. Come on in here. Come on in here. Wind it up, bitch. Wind it up. Oh, you see this? You see it? Do you see that? It is coming for you. Y'all done made my man cry. Ah! Now, y'all know I'm a fool mess. Huh. Y'all know I am. I am a mess. I have always been a mess. I'm going to always be a mess. Proud. I'm black and I'm proud. Hey, okay, that's not, sorry. Focus. I'm a mess, okay? I present to y'all wherever I am in my life and what I got going on. That's just, I can't help it. You're my therapy, you're my family, and I'm keeping you in the loop. I also want to apologize to y'all for upsetting y'all while I'm upset. But y'all done made Bay cry. We'll see y'all tonight to talk about it, though. Just want y'all to know that, okay? And I love y'all. You know, this is where we are in life. We're going to discuss. Come with your questions, your concerns, like I know you will. Okay? And we're gonna get through. We're gonna get through. We gonna get through whatever it is. Okay? That's just, I mean, we lifing right now. You're looking at real life, unscripted, middle age. People living middle-aged issues. Now listen, when you put your steak on there, don't touch the steak. Let the steak do what the steak gonna do for the amount of time. Also, let it be room temperature and not cold. Okay, Alexa, stop timer. I told her to do no 5 minutes now. Okay, wait, that say what? Alexa, how many timers do I have? Or a 2.5 minute timer.
2-minute and 30-second timer started.
Okay. I'm lavishing it up with butter because I love a buttery ass steak, y'all. Ooh. The more butter, the better. I'm just gonna use all that shit. Why not? Anywho, y'all, I tell you what, y'all, ooh, menopause ain't no damn joke. It's just not nothing to be played with. It is nothing to play with. I'm gonna let it rest on this when it get done. I like a medium. I'm more on the medium weller. I like a little cut. What is that? I'm in between medium rare and medium well. I like a nice fine pink line between the two, you know? We gotta let that steak rest. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my eggs, y'all, while that is doing that. Y'all, let's make some eggs. Anyway, I hope you're having a good morning. Good morning. Did I say that? If I didn't, I'm sorry. Y'all know I'm all over the place. Shout out to, and thank y'all, for everybody who has called me or texted me or sent me private messages. Okay. It was quite a few of y'all. I love y'all so much. Y'all came in like it was a funeral service. You know, get off of my shit, bitch. All right. Yep. Come on, land on my shit again. Come on, land. Oh yeah, let me put my steak up. Hold up, y'all. Put my steak in here to rest. I'm gonna get that bitch. Anyway, thank y'all for just being present with me. I mean, I need a tribe like y'all. Shit. It's just wonderful to have, especially at this age, you know, you're going through women who understand what you got going on, non-judgmental, just listening, offering, you know, good advice, offering advice. Not somewhere trying to make up a narrative. I told y'all, and that's crazy because I just put out on the video. Child, people say, it's got to be more than that. People gonna make it be more than what the fuck it is, and that's the sad part of this whole thing. That it is nothing more than what the fuck I said. But the world, the people, gonna definitely make it be. How about turn the stove on? They are definitely gonna make it be. That part can get y'all. I'm finna be sneezing like hell. The whole pepper done fell out. See, it don't want me to address them people, but you know I am. Whew, I'm finna be sneezing. Oh God. Oh God, the whole house gonna be sneezing for days. Pepper everywhere. What was I saying? Yeah, anyway, it don't matter. I don't give a damn what the fuck they think. Anyway, look, all it matters is I'm gonna see y'all on the live tonight. It doesn't matter, okay? I'm not trying to prove anything to any damn body, honey. I'm just sharing my story. Like I said, whether you like it, it resonate with you, you disagree with it, I do not care about your opinion of my life that I'm choosing to share with you. Know that first and foremost. I don't give a damn. But I thank y'all that are just very loving people, like real life human beings like me on the other side of the screen. Shout out to y'all. Anybody else, y'all already know what I'm gonna tell y'all. Go to hell. Run, don't walk. Thank you. Catch a Uber. Okay, let's do these eggs, friend. Well, I'm about to call that girl again, because I do like a part two. The toilet portion. The toilet portion. Thinking, gratitude, all the things. And then there's the chatty portion. Right here. I also think I'm gonna go live, I think, over on TikTok this afternoon though. After I get you guys squared away over here to let you know, to play with this dollhouse. I gotta get this house finished. But more so I need to photograph the big pink one. Okay, that looked good how it is. Y'all wanna, Alexa, what is the weather?
Well, it's 73 degrees and mostly sunny right now. Today's high is 94 with a 55% chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Tomorrow's looking similar. High of 83 with a 55% chance of heavy thunderstorms.
Oh. Rain, go. Okay, by the time I come back in from session, it'll be time to eat. But anyway, look, I want to go ahead and get this video up. Good morning, fishies. Good morning. Oh, you're so beautiful. That crystal clear water. How are you guys doing today? Hi. We usually smoke together too sometimes, but anywho, y'all, I love you. Letting me be me, honey, okay? We're going to see y'all tonight in the live. That's the house I need to photograph. The roof ain't done. I'm still gonna just sell it as is. Also, this is the one that I'm going to be working on. I got a long way to go with this house, y'all. I got a long way to go. But I'm gonna get in there today, head down, to film this content here too. Okay. Ooh, look at the sun. Come on through. Come on through, son. Oh, I gotta go. Anywho, word of the day. Okay, you lovely, lovely, lovely brothers, sisters, and cousins. Listen, word of the day until I see y'all tonight. Do not subscribe to. Okay, y'all gotta go, y'all. The damn thing gonna die. All right, bye. Y'all, okay. But you charging now. Plus, I done been outside, did my thing, honey. I'm feeling really good and very productive. And I'm about to get started on this house. So while you watching this video, friend, just know this. I love you, first of all. I think that's what I was saying in the last clip. Hell, I don't remember. What I was saying? Hell, I don't damn remember. But what I do know is I feel good right now. I feel real good. I feel good mentally. I even feel good emotionally right now. That's okay. I'm excited to get over here and get to this house. I'm very excited about that. And since we back in business over here, loving on each other and doing all the stuff we used to do at the penthouse, but in the reverse, right? I think I'm gonna let y'all play over here too. Okay. So I'm gonna be live. I think I'm gonna go live. Yeah, I'm going live. I miss my girls over on I miss my dollhouse girls. Them my damn girls over there on TikTok. Tiny, my damn girl. Creative, my damn girl. Fee, my damn girl. Okay. Y'all know I'm up there. I probably should have did that because somebody gonna be like, you ain't say my damn name. Wait a minute, I'll be my damn girl. Let me. And it's a lot of y'all. Y'all know who y'all are. Y'all know who y'all are. I love all y'all so much. Well, let me go before they try to get me over there too. But anyway, look, I'm going to see y'all on the live tonight. Again, we're going to talk about everything. Grown people style. And we can listen. We can tussle if you want to. I got time. We're going to see y'all over there. Love y'all. Thank y'all so much again for loving on me. Letting me love on you. And we're going to just do what it is. We're just going to do what it is we do. I got to call my daughters too and tell them how much I love them. Anyway, I'm going to see y'all tonight. Bye, y'all.